Have you ever wondered this? Your solar panels are working. Your solar app shows production. You see sunlight hitting your roof every day. Maybe your system even says it produced more electricity than your home used. But then the electricity bill comes and somehow you are still paying. So the big question is, where does your extra solar power actually go? Does the utility company take it for free? Does it disappear? Does your meter run backward? Are you really getting credit for it? And if you are producing extra power, why is your bill not zero? This is one of the most confusing parts of solar for homeowners. And honestly, many people install solar without fully understanding this one thing, net metering. In today's video, we are going to explain in simple language what happens to your extra solar electricity, how net metering works, why your bill may still come even after installing solar, and what you should check before designing or installing a solar system. And stay until the end, because I'll also explain how Greenworld Renewable Energy helps solar companies and homeowners avoid these mistakes through proper solar design, permit drawings, engineering and system planning. Welcome to Greenworld Renewable Energy, your trusted partner for solar permit design, engineering support, P-stamping, solar plan sets and renewable energy solutions. We help solar installers, EPC companies and solar businesses create accurate, code-compliant and approval-ready solar designs. Now let's understand the mystery behind your extra solar power. Section 1. The simple solar flow. First, let's understand what happens during a normal sunny day. Your solar panels generate DC electricity from sunlight. That DC electricity goes to the inverter. The inverter converts it into AC electricity, which your home can use. Now your home appliances start using that solar power first. Your AC, refrigerator, washing machine, lights, fans, TV, chargers, everything inside the house will consume electricity from your solar system when solar production is available. So during the day, your home has two possibilities. Number one, your solar system produces less power than your home needs. In that case, your home uses all available solar power and the remaining electricity comes from the grid. Number two, your solar system produces more power than your home needs. In that case, your home uses what it needs and the extra power goes somewhere else. And that is where the confusion begins, because that extra power usually goes back to the utility grid. Section 2. Where does extra solar power go? Let's say your solar system is producing 6 kilowatts at noon, but your home is only using 2 kilowatts at that time. That means you have 4 kilowatts of extra power. This extra solar energy does not stay in your wires forever, it needs somewhere to go. So it flows back to the utility grid. Think of the grid like a large shared electricity network. When your home does not need all the solar electricity, the extra energy gets exported to the grid and can be used by nearby homes, buildings or electrical loads. So technically your extra solar power is not wasted. It is sent to the grid. But the more important question is, do you get paid for it? That depends on your utility company, your local rules and your net metering or net billing policy. This is the part every solar customer should understand before installation. Section 3. What is net metering? Net metering is a billing system where your utility gives you credit for the extra solar electricity your system sends to the grid. In simple words, when you use electricity from the grid, you are charged. When you send extra solar electricity to the grid, you may receive credits. At the end of the billing cycle, the utility calculates the difference. That is why it is called net metering. It is not only about how much electricity you produced, it is about the net difference between how much energy you imported from the grid, how much energy you exported to the grid. Let's take an example. Suppose this month your home used 1000 units of electricity. Your solar system produced 800 units. Out of those 800 units, your home used 500 units directly during the day. The remaining 300 units were exported to the grid. Now at night, your solar panels are not producing, so your home pulls electricity from the grid. This is why you may still see grid usage on your bill. Solar panels generate power during the day, but your home may use a lot of electricity in the evening, at night or early morning. So net metering helps balance daytime solar export with nighttime grid import. Section 4. Why your bill may not become zero. Now this is the part that surprises most people. Even if you have solar, your bill may not become zero. Why? There are several reasons. Reason 1. Fixed utility charges. Most electricity bills have fixed monthly charges. These charges may include meter fees, customer charges, grid connection charges, taxes or service fees. Solar usually cannot remove these charges completely. So even if your energy usage is very low, your bill may still show a small amount. Reason 2. You use power when solar is not producing. Your solar panels produce electricity only when sunlight is available. But your home uses electricity 24 hours a day. At night, your solar system does not produce power. So unless you have a battery, you still pull power from the grid after sunset. Reason 3. Your export credit may not equal your import cost. This is very important. In some areas, when you buy electricity from the grid, you pay one rate. But when you send solar electricity to the grid, the utility may credit you at a lower rate. For example, you may buy electricity at 20 cents per kilowatt hour, but the utility may credit your exported solar power at only 8 or 10 cents per kilowatt hour, depending on the policy. So you may export a lot of power and still not fully offset your bill. Reason 4. System size may not match your consumption. Sometimes the solar system is undersized. Maybe the homeowner's electricity usage increased after installation. Maybe they added an EV charger, new AC, pool pump, or extra appliances. So the solar system no longer covers the full energy need. Reason 5. Seasonal production changes. Solar production is not the same every month. In summer, production may be higher. In winter, rainy season, cloudy weather, or shorter days, production may drop. So your bill can change month by month. This is why proper system design and accurate energy analysis are very important. Section 5. Net metering versus net billing. Many people use the word net metering for everything, but there is another important term, net billing. In traditional net metering, exported power may be credited close to the retail electricity rate. That means if you send 1 unit to the grid, you may receive credit close to the value of 1 unit you buy. But in net billing, the exported electricity is often credited at a different rate, usually lower than the retail rate. This changes the economics of solar. So when someone says, I installed solar but I am still paying a bill, one possible reason is that their area does not offer full retail net metering. They may be under a net billing structure where exported power is worth less. That is why a solar design should not only focus on system size, it should also consider local utility roles, export rates, consumption pattern, battery requirement, roof direction, shading, peak usage timing, future electricity needs. This is where many solar projects go wrong. People assume that more panels automatically mean more savings, but that is not always true. The right system is not just the biggest system. The right system is the one designed according to the customer's actual energy usage and local utility policy. Section 6. Why your solar app and bill look different. Another common confusion is this. Your solar app says your system produced a lot of electricity, but your bill still shows charges. Why? Because your solar app usually shows production. Your utility bill shows grid import and export. These are not the same thing. Your solar system may have produced 900 units this month, but your home may have used some power directly during the day. Some power may have gone to the grid, and some power may have been taken from the grid at night. So your utility bill does not always show the full solar production number. It mostly shows what passed through the utility meter. That is why homeowners should not compare the solar app and utility bill directly without understanding the difference. Once you understand these numbers, the bill starts making sense. Section 7. How to check if your solar is really saving money. Here is a simple checklist for homeowners. First, check your monthly solar production. Second, compare it with your expected production estimate. Third, check your grid import. Fourth, check your grid export. Fifth, check the credit rate given by your utility. Sixth, check fixed charges and taxes. Seventh, compare your bill before solar and after solar over several months, not only 1 month. Do not judge solar performance from a single bill. Solar savings should be reviewed over 6 to 12 months because production changes by season. Also check whether your system has shading, dirty panels, inverter issues, or incorrect system sizing. Sometimes the problem is not net metering. Sometimes the system is simply not producing as expected, and sometimes the design was not optimized from the beginning. Section 8. Common mistakes homeowners make. Here are the most common mistakes people make before installing solar. Mistake 1. Only looking at panel count. More panels does not always mean better savings. If export rates are low, oversized systems may send too much power to the grid at low value. Mistake 2. Ignoring nighttime usage. If most electricity usage happens at night, solar alone may not fully solve the bill. A battery may be useful in some cases. Mistake 3. Not understanding local utility policy. Net metering rules are not the same everywhere. Before installation, homeowners should understand how credits work in their area. Mistake 4. Poor roof layout and shading analysis. Even a small amount of shading can reduce solar production. Proper design matters. Mistake 5. Choosing solar without reviewing actual consumption. A proper solar proposal should be based on real electricity usage, not just guesswork. This is why solar design is not just drawing panels on a roof, it is an energy planning process. Sector 9. How Green World Renewable Energy helps. At Green World Renewable Energy, we help solar companies, installers, and EPCs make solar projects smoother, faster, and more accurate. Our team supports solar businesses with solar permit design, PV plan sets, PA stamping support, engineering review, residential solar design, commercial solar design, battery storage design support, EV charger design support, code compliant layouts, utility and HJ ready documentation. Why does this matter? Because a successful solar project starts before installation. It starts with the right design. When these things are handled correctly, installers save time, homeowners get better expectations, and projects move faster toward approval. Green World Renewable Energy helps solar companies reduce design errors, speed up permit approvals, and deliver better solar solutions to customers. So whether you are a solar installer looking for reliable design support or a homeowner trying to understand how solar really works, the key message is the same. Solar is not only about panels, it is about correct design, correct engineering, correct utility understanding, and correct expectations. So where does your extra solar power really go? Most of the time it goes back to the grid. But whether it reduces your bill depends on your utility policy, net metering rules, energy usage, and system design. That is why your solar bill may not become zero even when your panels are producing power. The solution is not just adding more panels. The solution is proper energy analysis, correct system sizing, battery planning, and smart solar design. If you need help with solar design, permitting, engineering support, PE stamping, or renewable energy project documentation, contact Green World Renewable Energy. Our contact details are in the description below. Subscribe to Green World Renewable Energy for more simple solar explanations and renewable energy insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.